Okay, let's start off this spicy pepper penne. Say that 5 times real fast. Anyway, you want to start this off by adding 8 ounces of pancetta over a low heat in a frying pan. You don't have to add salt, but add a little bit of pepper to it. Okay, after the pancetta is done and set aside, you want to take approximately 2 tablespoons of butter and then melt that up and add 1 small onion that's been minced. And then you want to give this a couple of minutes to saute up or until the onion is translucent. Okay, after a couple of minutes, you want to add 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, and then you want to keep stirring so the garlic doesn't burn, and you want to stir this for about another minute more. Okay, then you want to add a shot of vodka to this. Deglaze the pan a little bit. And then this is a jar of 16-ounce roasted red peppers that I drained, put in a food processor, and then pureed the shit out of it. And then you just want to stir this around and turn the heat down to medium-low to low. Okay, so after about a minute of stirring things around, getting it incorporated, you want to add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you like it spicy, a little bit more. You don't like it so spicy, a little bit less. That's entirely up to you. Then you just want to kind of stir this occasionally and simmer it for a little bit. By now, you should definitely have your water on for your pasta. Okay, so after a couple of more minutes, definitely you should have the pasta in the water at this point cooking away. You want to add about a half a cup of heavy cream and then a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. If you want to shred up a little bit more, you can certainly use that for serving. I don't believe I did in this particular dish, but half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, stir it around, and give it at least enough time to melt and incorporate itself. Okay, I know I said at the beginning of the video it was penne, but I used spaghetti. What, all pasta is made out of the same ingredients. It's just different shapes. Fucking sue me. Anyway, you want to add the sauce to the pasta and just stir it around till it's all, fully incorporated and everything. And we should be ready to serve. Okay, we've got it all plated up for you here, and all I did to finish this was just put a little bit of freshly ground black pepper on top, and that's it. I gotta say, this was one of my favorite things I've cooked thus far. So, spicy pepper pasta, done.